The world is bustling. You watch one eye on the kids and another on the television as you fold the laundry. As you drive to work and listen to the radio, you make plans for the day and the following weekend. But in the haste to get things done, you can find yourself losing touch with the here and now and failing to notice what you're doing and experiencing. Have you noticed that the forsythia is in bloom on your way to work, or have you noticed whether you felt rested this morning? The discipline of deliberately focusing attention on the present moment and accepting it without passing judgment is known as mindfulness. Scientific research on mindfulness has shown it to be crucial for lowering stress and improving happiness in general. What advantages does mindfulness offer? The practice of mindfulness has its origins in Buddhism, but most faiths involve some form of prayer or meditation that facilitates the movement of your attention from everyday concerns to an awareness of the present moment and a broader view of life. Emeritus Professor Jon Kabat-Zinn, who founded and oversaw the stress reduction clinic at the University of Massachusetts Medical Center, played a significant role in introducing mindfulness meditation into the medical community. He also provided evidence that mindfulness training can improve mental and physical health conditions and lead to positive changes in attitudes, behaviors, and overall well-being. Being mindful enhances well-being. Gaining more awareness enhances a variety of mindsets that lead to a fulfilling existence. Being mindful increases your ability to deal with negative situations, helps you get completely engaged in activities, and makes it simpler to enjoy life's small pleasures as they arise. Many people who practice mindfulness discover that by keeping their attention in the now, they are less prone to become mired in regrets about the past or fears about the future, are less consumed with thoughts of achievement and self-worth, and are better able to build meaningful connections with others. Physical health is improved by mindfulness. If increased well-being isn't enough of a motivator, researchers have found that practicing mindfulness can enhance physical health in a variety of ways. Stress relief, heart disease treatment, blood pressure lowering, the reduction of chronic pain, better sleep, and relief from gastrointestinal issues are all possible with mindfulness. Mental wellness is enhanced by mindfulness. In the past few years, mindfulness meditation has gained popularity among psychotherapists, both in person and virtual, as a crucial component of treatment for a variety of issues, such as anxiety disorders, eating disorders, depression, substance misuse, obsessive-compulsive disorder, and couples conflicts. How does the practice of mindfulness operate? According to some experts, mindfulness helps people accept their experiences, including uncomfortable emotions, instead of reacting to them with avoidance and aversion. Combining mindfulness meditation with psychotherapy, particularly cognitive behavioral therapy, has grown in popularity. This development is understandable given that the common purpose of cognitive behavioral therapy and meditation is to assist individuals in gaining perspective on unreasonable, maladaptive, and self-defeating attitudes. Methods of mindfulness. Although there are various approaches to practicing mindfulness, the objective of all mindfulness techniques is to intentionally pay attention to thoughts and sensations without passing judgment to reach a state of attentive, focused calm. This enables the mind to return to the here and now. Every mindfulness practice is a type of meditation. Simple mindfulness meditation. Find a quiet place to sit and concentrate on your breathing or on a word or mantra that you silently repeat. Return your attention to your breathing or mantra, allowing thoughts to come and go without judgment. Body sensations. Without passing judgment, pay attention to nuances in your body, such as tingling or itching, and allow them to pass. As you move from head to toe, pay attention to every area of your body. Sensory. Pay attention to the sights, sounds, tastes, smells, and touches. Let them go after naming them sight, sound, smell, taste, or touch without passing judgment. Emotions. Permit feelings to exist without passing judgment. Practice naming your emotions with ease and steadiness. Joy, anger, frustration. Without passing judgment, acknowledge the emotion's existence and allow them to pass. Encourage surfing. Learn to manage urges for drugs or behaviors that are addictive and let them go. Observe your body's reaction when the craving arises. Replace the hope that the craving will pass with the assurance that it will. Meditation with mindfulness and other techniques. Mindfulness meditation is a methodical way to focus your attention that can help you develop mindfulness. You can learn how to meditate on your own by listening to or reading instructions from books. Nonetheless, having an instructor or support group at your side might help you stay motivated and provide answers to your queries. Seek out a meditation practitioner who shares your values and objectives. You might prefer a medically oriented program that includes meditation if you have a medical issue. Find out about local groups via your doctor or the hospital. More and more insurance companies are paying for meditation training. Setting off on your own. Some forms of meditation are essentially focused exercises where you repeat a word or pay attention to your breathing while letting your thoughts come and go. Techniques for concentration meditation, together with other practices like yoga or Tai Chi, can trigger the well-known relaxation response, which is beneficial in lessening the body's reaction to stress. Concentration exercises are built upon mindfulness meditation. This is how it operates. Follow the current. Once you've established focus in mindfulness meditation, you can watch the flow of your inner thoughts, feelings, and physical sensations without labeling them as positive or negative. Be mindful. You also become aware of the outside factors that contribute to your current experience, such as sights, sounds, and touch. The trick is to avoid becoming fixated on any one thought, feeling, or experience, as well as from dwelling on the past or future. Rather, you observe what passes through your mind and learn which thought patterns lead to a state of happiness or misery. Continue. While this method may not seem all that soothing at first, as you learn to be at ease with an ever-widening spectrum of your experiences, it eventually unlocks the door to increase happiness and self-awareness. Acceptance practices. Above all, practicing mindfulness means learning to accept whatever comes into your awareness at any given time. It entails treating yourself with kindness and forgiveness. A few things to remember are: redirect gently. If you find your thoughts straying into criticism, planning, or daydreaming, gently bring them back to the sensations of the here and now. Try once more and again. Just start over if you end up missing your scheduled meditation session. It gets simpler to accept whatever comes your way for the rest of the day when you practice accepting your experience during meditation. Informal mindfulness practice. You can practice mindfulness informally in addition to officially by paying attention to your experiences in the present now while engaging in daily activities. Single tasking or focusing entirely on one task at a time is how you achieve this. When you brush your teeth, pat the dog, or bite into an apple, take your time, pay attention to what's happening, and use all of your senses. Exercises in mindfulness. If you're interested in mindfulness meditation, attending a class or starting with a meditation cassette can be beneficial. Here are 2 self-directed mindfulness exercises to attempt in the interim. Simple mindfulness exercises. It teaches the fundamentals of mindfulness meditation. Take a seat on the floor, cross-legged, or on a chair with a straight back. Concentrate on one part of your breathing, such as the feeling of air entering your mouth and exiting it, or the rising and falling of your stomach with each breath. After you've achieved this level of concentration narrowing, start to expand your focus. Recognize your thoughts, feelings, and sounds. Accept and give thought to any idea or feeling, regardless of how good or unpleasant it may seem. If your thoughts wander, come back to your breathing and widen your consciousness once more. Invest in yourself. The more you practice mindfulness meditation, the greater the likely effect you will experience. This is a sensible place to start since most individuals find that it takes the mind at least 20 minutes to start settling. At least 6 days a week for 45 minutes, Jon Kabat-Zinn suggests meditation if you're ready to make a more serious commitment. If you found this content helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates.